So Puneka News viewers, Kalyani Nagar is in big news since yesterday late night. And the reason for this news is a young brat in his Porsche has knocked down a couple, and unfortunately this couple died in yesterday's incident. It's not only about the accident, it's about the issue of the culture, and this culture is people openly drink and drive in this area. And the example is this bottle. I'm with Kalyani Nagar residents, and you can see this bottle which is on pathway. And the story doesn't stop here. If you see, here there is a bottle. Here there are bottles. You can see bottles here. The bigger issue which Kalyani Nagar residents are facing is people, especially kids, are openly drinking on road. They are driving, and this is affecting the lives of the people who are staying here. Ma'am, how it is affecting you?
So traffic, first thing, very foremost thing. Yesterday, how come after 1:30 this accident happened if the pubs have only permission till 1:30?
So you're questioning the facts of the case.
Yes,
You're saying the pubs were open even after 1:30.
Agreed, 100%. The accident itself tells that it was at after 1:30.
So
Right?
generally, till what time pubs are open here?
Till 3, it's very obvious.
It's very
and
common.
Saturday, Sunday is the time where we have to literally shut up. We have elderly citizens, we have children.
I want to say my parents, they are super senior citizens. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights are nightmare for them. Middle of the night, they wake up, with the hands on the ears, even I'm doing it. Okay, with the hands on the ear, we shut all the windows. In spite of that, the honking for 1 hour to 2 hours.
Honking in midnight is also common?
No, say people, I don't know what they do. They just put their hand on the horn and they're not ready to leave off their horn.
So it's a style. It's not actually need of a traffic sense.
At the same time. At the
सबसे
same time.
the biggest problem in Kalyani Nagar is there is no street lights. जो भी problem हो रही है ना यहाँ पे ये दारू, drugs, whatever is happening, this is just because of this also. This is one of the
So आपका कहना है
issue.
स्ट्रीट लाइट्स भी नहीं है रात में?
Yes, yes, yes.
इसका लोग फायदा उठा रहे हैं.
उठा रहे हैं. This is
Every
also
lane I have seen. I've come from Bombay. I've just come here. Okay, every lane I always say Bombays are like bright and all that. So the trees and all that, they are not standing anywhere hidden. And now here, can you see? There's no lights. 11 o'clock you go out, 10 o'clock you go out. The street lights are no.
So everyone, do you think it's a failure of system in Kalyani Nagar? Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Sikambar, I want to add
Yeah, please.
something. Actually, a couple
Please.
of us. Yeah. So the most important thing is that since 2 years we've been fighting this. Okay. We've raised issues of noise pollution, about these bottles, open drinking, drunk driving. There have been many cases where accidents have happened, right? But it was not so bad. So वो छुप जाता है सबके बीच में, right? But the problem is कि जो stand लेना चाहिए, police, administration, it's all the government bodies together, whether it is excise department or it is anybody else. They all need to take a stand and solve this problem, right? Were we waiting for something like this to happen? I blame all the authorities who have not taken action.
So the accident which has happened yesterday, do you think the cause of this accident can also be the pub culture of Kalyani Nagar?
Absolutely. And that is the point, right? We have knocked all the doors. We have never got any solution that sticks. I'm not saying that.
So Puneka
action
News
has not
viewers,
been
a
taken.
very important point communicated by majority of the citizens who are standing with us. They are saying it's not a case of a driver who met with an accident. It's about the culture which is creating many more perhaps many more accidents in coming time. It's a system failure, and such kind of potential accidents can be curbed if administration take an action right in time. And this right in time action should be a proactive action which should happen immediately, so that some couple or some person should not lose his or her life in such a reckless accident case.
This is about the future of our children, right? This is not about us. We are not fighting
It's
for
for
ourselves.
safety of the kids.
We are fighting for the safety of the kids and the next generation. Losing 2 lives for what? This should not have happened, and that is why we are out on the streets today. This problem has been going on, and we have been knocking all the doors, but today we are here in support of the lives that were lost, and we
Okay.
should not forget the victims in this.
Certainly.
Has there been speed breaker?
Please. Come in front.
So some of the facts which needs to be taken care is this bar shop 150 within 150 meters of the school. because as per law, Supreme Court regulation, there should not be any bar or liquor shop within 150 meters of the school
So
distance.
sir is saying the liquor shop is very much within the vicinity of that 100, 150
So,
meters.
so if it is, if it is within that distance, that means it is clear violation of rules and guidelines, and authorities have taken it like for granted, right?
So what is your message to the authority?
So, and then the other point is drunken driving.
You can see the honking case.
Yeah.
This video, I'm sure it is recording the honking case.
So,
Honking again.
the other point is
Every night.
regarding drunken driving. Drunken driving is becoming a serious nuisance. It is killing people, affecting lot of lives. Like even yesterday, 2 people died. Their families are also kind of destroyed, right?
Certainly.
So it is a growing nuisance, and the Supreme Court has laid down clear guidelines regarding drunken driving and how to act. It is only the system which is not acting, and they are not acting not because they don't know the law. It is all there in the rule books. They are just not implementing.
So
So
it's
it's the
clear
high
from a
time.
resident's perspective, it's clear the administration needs to come in picture, administration needs to come in action, and this action should not be a temporary cosmetic action. It has to be
and
certain tough implementation.
and if the Pune authorities, I can even tell them, if the Pune authorities, if the police doesn't know the law, I can come tomorrow and tell them make them underline all the rules and acts which are present in law, which can be implemented, and this problem can be solved. It's just the intent of the authorities to stop this happen.
Thank you.